Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some DIY miniature notebooks. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And without any further ado, let's get right into it. To make the cover of the notebook, you will need craft foam. I got mine from the dollar store. You can easily find this at Michael's, Amazon, or pretty much any craft store. I'm going to cut out a piece of the craft foam. So this is a 3 by 5 centimeter rectangle. Once you have your rectangle, you want to cut it in half so you have the front and the back of the notebook cover. Using a pencil, I'm marking down where I want the holes to be. So as you can see, I have both of the pieces together just to make sure that I'm aligning the holes correctly. This is the hole puncher that I'm using. It's a really tiny hole puncher I got from Amazon. I will have a link for it down below. So now I'm just going to go ahead and punch out the holes for the front and the back. I'm going to set that aside for now and start working on the pages. So this is a template that I made. I will have the link for this in the description box as well. So I went ahead, printed out the pages, and now I'm just going to cut them out. I'm gathering all the pages and then I'm going to just secure them for now using a paper clip. I'm going to use the notebook cover as a guide for where I want the holes to be. So I'm going to go ahead, mark it down, and then I'm going in with my hole puncher and I'm going to punch out the holes. Now to bind this notebook together, you will need jump rings. I'm going to go ahead and open up my jump ring and we're going to start assembling it. So back cover, pages, front cover. Very self-explanatory. Again, I'm doing the same exact thing, taking a jump ring to attach all three of the pieces together. I'm going to remove the paper clip and here is the notebook all done. So you can see here that it's a regular notebook that opens, you have pages inside, and now you can pretty much do anything that you want in terms of design. The possibilities are endless. So I went ahead and I made the notebooks in different colors and we will be designing them together using acrylic paint. So as you can see here, we're starting off with the one that I just made. I'm doing like a nice cute frog design. The frog is holding a flower. I'm not sure if you can tell. And yeah, I'm just going to paint on the rest of the designs. It was so therapeutic, honestly. I just had like a show playing in the background and I was like painting my miniature notebooks. It was so relaxing and so much fun. And for the very last step, which is optional, but I think it makes the notebooks look even more realistic, is to add a closure band. So I'm going to open up the back of the cover. We're going to punch out 2 holes, and then I'm going to take some elastic, which I went ahead and I painted using matching acrylic paint. And all you want to do is just tie the band like a regular notebook would have. And here you can see how cute the notebook looks. It's so small, so tiny. I love all of the different designs. Let me know in a comment down below which notebook cover is your favorite. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be amazing. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.